So, with that being said, the battle is on. Because the crazy lady on the train ain't crazy. That means that there's some secrets that's not supposed to be told. And I have to say that on the train because I'm disturbing everybody else with this Havana syndrome. And it gets nowhere. But if you look me up online, you will see why. And who cares if I hear it or don't make sense? Because when you have 40 HZs right here in my left eye, in my frontal part of my brain, you control everything. You can even make me a stupid person and a crazy person, which I didn't know that. So that makes sense why I'm wearing a mask. And I'm vaccinated and fully boosted. And I'll just leave it at that.